Hello guys, today is our GD and our team is government job and his team is private job. Yes. Why you choose private job?
Because private job is very good. We are selling many product and one product selling and many rupees will become.
In government job there is a lot of money. You become a that army and you die. Then government give your family also money and you retired. Then giving pension also. That's why government is very good job. Good job.
You telling army doing in job army job in 4 years and private job many year you will doing and money will become. For example, Mukesh Ambani, he is very rich man. He have lot of money.
Yes. Mukesh Ambani has lot of money, but our prime minister, he is government doing government job. His power is very because that Mukesh Ambani going another country and many people not know who is that Ambani and Modi any country go then people know he is prime minister of India.
You will say many people he don't know Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani have lot of money. That's why many people he know.
You know, you that go another foreign, you say any that any people who is Mukesh Ambani, and that people saying I don't know who is Mukesh Ambani. You ask who is that Indian in India Indian Prime Minister. Who is Prime Minister of India? Then he will say that Modi.
You will say who is Mukesh Ambani and foreign you go and you will say Prime Minister of India. You are going foreign and say who is a rich man of India.
Of India. They will don't know who is large of who is very rich. They know only Elon Musk because
Yes.
he is a whole world. He is very rich man.
He know and many people he know is Mukesh Ambani.
Government job best because and private job many my village going Rudrapur and private job my brother and my many private job.
My government job very nice. Private job very bad.
Why private job is bad?
Because they are earning black money. Many big rich men are earning black money, and our government police are that raid office, income tax officer are raiding in their homes.
Who said rich man is black earning black money? What police is also earning black money.
Government job is very bad. Who said you?
Who said you?
Firstly you said.
Firstly Rakesh sir.
Yes, I said.
Yes, firstly Rakesh said.
No, I am saying that I am saying government job is very best and private job is very bad.
Because Modi Prime Minister, many people in government job doing government job because school giving teacher many rupees and they are not half rupees give student and half rupees he claim.
Who claim?
teacher, government teachers.
Government teacher.
Yes,
Yeah.
Government teacher.
Yeah.
Yes.
What taking half money?
yes.
Yeah.
Oh, how fool you are. You are and what? Your their parents doing private job. They are very rich.
Give-
No, they are very rich.
No, my parents are not doing private job.
They are government doing government job.
No government job, not doing private job. Doing
Firstly, you saying not doing private job.
my mistake.
My mistake. What your parent doing that private job and you are very rich. You are rich.
Yeah, no.
Then you have no car. You have no motorbike. You see our that our government school principal. He have car. He have anything. He have many
Only
homes.
principal.
Only principal.
Teacher sir?
You see teacher. He is very. He living in Gadiana. He is very poor. Then he that joining 2 months only 2 months. Then he buy a new bike.
Yes.
Yes.
And you say not teacher eating rupees. See, many government teachers black
Black
rupees earning. Many places you go like Rudrapur, their government school giving all month give food, many vegetable and rice, and our school giving only 3-4 months, 1 day only give
What give? Monday.
rice only.
Right. You see all day. Monday or 4 days.
Yes,
One
I
day
am also going.
in month. In month.
Yes.
How you go every day?
No.
No, then in 1 week. No, all day giving.
All day.
All day
My auntie always say me go to what is it?
Private school, private job best. Private job, many, Mukesh Ambani, and private job, and you have a private job, money, earning money, and your money business and Geo company.
What I don't understand what you are saying.
government job, money, Modi, government job, Neta,
Okay, I think you are saying government job is very bad. Then why you take ration in free?
Me no say.
You know say you not go in.
What?
You not take
Only
ration.
free.
Free ration.
Yeah.
Yes,
Free ration.
it is the government. You are saying private job is very bad. Why you not doing private job? Why you not rich? Say why you not rich? Why you going there taking galla?
You are say Modi is very he is very doing government job, and see Sheikh Hamdan, he is doing private job. His father making in Dubai. He have many company.
Who is Sheikh Hamdan? Who?
You know who is Sheikh Hamdan? His father making Dubai.
Government give. His father not made. His father is that king of Dubai.
Yes.
Yeah. Firstly, get that real information. Do not bargain. And firstly, that is private. Dubai is private. Doing private work.
And doing government work.
They have government. They are in. Firstly, get information. Then it's say with me. Sheikh Hamdan. See our Modi. What? Why you going to taking galla? You are very rich. You are doing private job. You are very rich. Why you taking galla?
I am not giving taking galla.
I am not. Your family not take.
No.
Why you eat? Why you eat? You purchase. You go in 5 star. Go every day. You are very rich. Your private job doing. Good. Say.